Hi everybody, my name is Mami John Abante. Welcome back to the vlog and welcome to our channel. Our channel is about quarantine coping tips during the pandemic, sustainable lifestyle tips to support the advocacy of our son Ethan Abante called Goat Me. We also have travel vlogs to support the advocacy of our daughter Ileana ni she named it like cultural intelligence for better tomorrow. We also share here some career tips, mommy tips, etc. And of course a haul. And then for today's vlog, I would like to share to you a coat me tip, a sustainable tip. For example, this one, this is a shoebox. So we recycle the shoebox, we use it to contain mga old na mga medyas. Okay, why? Well, it's easy, you just label it and put it aside. And also, we can use this old socks or old na mga medyas for relief operations or for donation during disaster. Okay, for example, what if dugay pa ang blanket na donation? At least people can use this, manggamit na nila. Kailangan sa kong chair. Anyway, so, and also, we would like to share this haul kay nami subscriber ganahan siya ning haul nga vlog. Alright, so first is this one. We purchased this this shorts from the shop called Next. We went to Bahrain. Okay, so they got this for Kuya. And then, of course, some items here from the shop. Okay, let me get half. One moment. Okay. We went to this for the first time. Parang, we went to, kanang Sif Mall. And then, we purchased this item. So, I got myself this, kay sale man siya. Sale ba ni? I think so. This blouse para akong mag-resort. Next. And then, for Kuya, this one. And then, for Ayen. And then, we went to City Center and we got items from the children's place. Again, this is not a sponsored vlog. So, Kuya got himself this pair of pajamas. Again, dinosaur. Another set of dinosaur. Dinosaur pajamas. One of the lessons ni Ayan, I think I remember, prehistoric time. So, these kids, they purchased like this, kanang bitong dinosaur toys. Lagi na siya. Nanajud na. So, I think it's a lesson learned. Instead of me buying, okay, this lesson, I will purchase this materials. Wait na lang ko. Parang na. Where is the interest should we support? So, nag-dinosaur. Sige, dinosaur. Okay, fine. To reinforce the learning. Then, Ayan got herself this bracelets because she wants to, explore her creativity through designing, fashion, etc. Okay. And then, wait lang. Okay. There's in Safe Mall also there's like I mentioned in one of my vlogs, brands for less. No, this brands for less. So I got myself this top. Nice cushion, no? No, nice cushion. As in, dili mo siya na siya nice nga design. And then, look at here. Mura siya patchwork pero dili. No? Kay, they say na the denim daw design na mga patch denim uso. Pero mura naman siya patchwork. Mura ba? Para na ako. This is a very nice top with details nga ingon ani. Ganahan kay kog mga ingon ani. Kay nga mag-design. Nine ani nga design. So I got when I saw this, no, this is like very affordable nga top. Dili siya kanang ilado na brand pero it's so nice yun na siya nga top to design. I think Ayan can also wear this one. So, this what we got from Brands for Less sa Sif Mall. Ang children's place, sa kuan to siya na mo, we purchase items sa City Center in Bahrain. And again, this one I got. This is my favorite. Oh, yeah. Not sponsored na. Kerastas. My partner before in my meetings, my talent development na activities. Okay. Next is one. This one. Okay. That is what they got. This na. Okay. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. This one, at the dimension. Pa-master sa mag-haul. Sa Sun and Sun Sports, okay? So, I think it's kuya and daddy sila nangadto sa Sun and Sun. So, let's see what's in this bag, okay? So, daddy got himself this Lakers, fan siya ni fan siya ni LeBron James. Okay, so, and then sa City Center niya got, and then also sa Sif Mall ni siya, there's also a LC Waikiki and City Center. So kung ano siya, I want to explore also my kanang try lang ba try. So I got myself this denim nga pants, and then pair with correct this black mo gud ang ganan sa mga kids among i-try. So black nga top nga na design nga ingon ani, so amo na siya i-try ma-explore among creativity through fashion. Murag true. And then, okay, so, let me check what's this. Then, by daddy's favorite, another Nike shirt. This is another Nike shirt. I think it's kuya, kay kuya looks good wearing black. And then, okay, so and then kang kuya ni siya. Usay malaanin ako ilang t-shirt nga ako. Para naman mi. And what else? So let me check. This is all the items that we got. By the way, one moment, okay? And I got this bag from the Naturalizer sa City Center Mall. Okay, so I'm not going to unbox it yet. Why? This one of the subscribers, but I don't know if she subscribes to our channel, but I was once asked, what is the type of bag you're going to use when you sort of level up? Or this is also a kind of bag that you can use when you want to apply for a job. I'd like to share that there are certain things that you have to consider, especially when you're applying for a position. So we dress up for the position that we are applying for, and the accessories we have also matched up the position that we are applying for. Okay, so that's why I got that bag. So in my next video, because one of the things that I'm also interested are of anything about bags. So I have bags of I love bags since I was a kid. No. Yeah, my mom. I remember my mom bought me a shoulder bag na pink or red, and because I have a very generous aunt and cousins. They also, give me bags. So, muna siya, nag-reinforce akong love for bags. So, my bags are like, for specific, when I see a bag, I like it, I automatically like get it for a purpose. For example, like, for my work, or sometimes because I like it lang good, and it's my preference, but I will not use that sa office because like it calls like too much attention. Ako lang na. So now that I am not in the corporate, so I am free to have bags na unique for me and my own liking. Unlike before na it's very dapat parang for me in accordance with siya sa the position that I had before, and structured jud siya kay of course you're in a very big organization. I also like structured bag. There was also a time when I like kanang not so structured bags kay beginner pa man ko. And my bags also were not like very expensive. Affordable bags lang yun siya. And mas nice jud siya if dili siya klaro ang brand, because we want to show more of our skills. We want to show more of our competencies rather than, being labeled na ikaw ng bag nga na yun ana nga brand. So, diba? So, that's all for my sharing. And then, sige to my subscriber nga nakuman akong hola. And thank you for supporting our channel. Bisag gamay ra kay ta. But again, let me, this is my one way of reintroducing myself to our kids. Kay remember, Ayan came to me and asked me about my work. I told her, or when we go back to Philippines, I'll show you my clear book na dito ang I'll show my employment certificates. At least, diba? As in, clear jud na I was employed in this company with this particular position para, kay my kids man good, when they were already nag-school na sila, they didn't know na I was working. Kay I didn't, they knew I was working, but they didn't know about what kind of work I had. So this is also my one way of parang saying nga, mo niya akong work, this is what my work was like, these are my lessons na I would like to share in this particular group. So let me reintroduce myself through this vlog to my children. Hello there, if you're watching. Okay, and again, thank you everybody. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So, di pa ko master aning mga haul namin, anak. Kay mas more on manggug ko when it comes to like, of course, my experience was in the talent development and in the corporate. So, a little of it lang. Kay, maybe there are certain things that work before and don't work right now. So, just sharing lang ba, sharing. Alright? Again, see you next vlog. Bye-bye.